mental well-being. See, this is a very common problem that men have. सब यहीं रह जाता है, यहीं रह गया, यहीं ग्रो किया, यहीं बम फटा, घंटी बज गई और आप ऊपर. This has to stop. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई बुराई है एडमिट करने में कि आपको कोई दिक्कत है, कोई परेशानी है अपने परिवार के सामने. You must tell them that you're going through the stress or depression or anxiety or whatever. Many Hollywood stars like Demi Lovato, Dwayne Johnson, they admitted to it. Many Bollywood stars, Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, they admitted to it. And I'm very grateful to these film stars and these celebrities कि इन्होंने एक रास्ता दिखाया हम जैसी आम जनता को कि हम लोग भी इस चीज को एडमिट करें. Hello everyone, I'm Chanatdeep Daga and today's video is a bit different. I want to firstly share that Indie Talk Show has officially crossed the 1000 mark with just 5 episodes and continue to grow as a community on YouTube every day. I'm grateful to each and every one of you. In today's video, I wanted to take a moment to talk about something very serious. I've been getting a lot of requests from people around the world to talk about men's mental well-being. This is a part which is being completely ignored and not many people talk about it. Hence, today's video is all about it. Men mental well-being. मुझे लगता है ये एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो बहुत ज्यादा इग्नोर होता है और इसको इग्नोर होना ही नहीं चाहिए. I am a father to 3, an entrepreneur, done multiple works. My journey started from 2003, 2004 till here, from a hotelier to a spa owner to running a lounge to an American chain of restaurants, in journalism. In between, I also did my LLB. It's a pressure that comes, it somehow doesn't come, it starts from the very beginning. Ever since you're born. पहले बाप का प्रेशर, पढ़ो लिखो, IPS बनो, IAS बनो, ये बनो, वो बनो. थोड़े बड़े हुए, शादी का प्रेशर, टाइमली शादी करो, शादी करो, शादी करो. लोग क्या कहेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या कहेगी. शादी कर ली तो बीवी का प्रेशर, वो खत्म हुआ तो बच्चों का प्रेशर. I want this, dad, I want that, I want this, I want that. Their education, what if they don't settle? You send them abroad, what if they don't settle abroad, they want to come back, then you have to settle, you have to think about your son, your daughter, and everything is just pressure. मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि कोविड के बाद it has increased. Reasons not to be disclosed, not to be said. We all know what happened. But either that could be a reaction that our body is not able to take, a toll that our body is not able to take, and plus the pressure that we already had. In COVID, everybody broke down. मैं नहीं जानता कितने लोग सफर किए, कितने नहीं किए. मैं पर्सनली बहुत सफर किया. Obviously, the business stops, your income stops, you're at home doing nothing. And you think about the future कि कल कैसे होगा, कल कैसे पैसे आएंगे, कहाँ से कमाएंगे, कैसे चलेगा हमारा काम, हमारा धंधा. दिमाग की तो बच गई, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आप सोच रहे हैं और आप ये बात आप ही सोच रहे हैं, आप शेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं किसी से. सी, दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम दैट मेन हैव. सब यहीं रह जाता है, यहीं रह गया, यहीं ग्रो किया, यहीं बम फटा, घंटी बज गई और आप ऊपर. दिस हैज टू स्टॉप. व्हाई कांट मेन शेयर देयर प्रॉब्लम्स विद देयर वाइफ्स? कहाँ लिखा है गीता में, कहाँ लिखा है कुरान में, कहाँ लिखा है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में, कहाँ लिखा है बाइबल में कि आप अपनी वाइफ से, अपने माँ बाप से आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं शेयर कर सकते, अपने दुख नहीं शेयर कर सकते. बाय नॉट शेयरिंग यू आर कॉजिंग मोर डैमेज टू योरसेल्फ. आदमी रो नहीं सकता, क्यों नहीं रो सकता? कहाँ लिखा है नहीं रो सकता? कहाँ लिखा है कि आप मर्द हैं तो आप रो नहीं सकते? आपके अंदर इमोशन नहीं, आपके अंदर फीलिंग्स नहीं. अगर आप रोएंगे, अगर आपकी फीलिंग्स आप एमिट आउट करेंगे, आई थिंक यू विल फील लाइटर. You'll feel that there's a burden that has been taken off your chest, of your mind, of your body. That toll has gone away. Who says it doesn't happen that? It is just a myth. Guys, let's get the hell out of this myth and live our lives very practically. क्योंकि आज आप जिंदा हैं तो आपका परिवार है. अगर आप जिंदा नहीं हैं तो आप ये मान के चलिए आपके परिवार को कोई पूछने वाला नहीं. Nobody is bothered about your kids or your wife or your parents for that matter if you're not there. So do what has to be done and not follow blindly what people have been traditionally doing. ये मेरा मानना है. बात करते हैं पोस्ट कोविड. जैसे मैंने आपसे जिक्र किया, कुछ इश्यूज हुए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हुई. Again, reasons not to be disclosed, and everybody suffered or could be still suffering. I have lately heard not many female but many male in their 40s, like Mr. Ankur Bhatia of Rosette House Group, Mr. Siddharth Shukla, the actor, ट्रेडमिल कर रहे थे, अपनी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे, वर्जिश कर रहे थे, कार्डियो कर रहे थे, whatever they were doing, bang, घंटी बज गई. Comes as a shock to me. I approached my family doctor, who happens to be a very well-known cardiologist. I approached a GP, I approached an orthopedic doctor, and another GP. In fact, I approached two GPs, yeah, I remember very well. दो GP थे, एक कार्डियो था, और सब ने मुझे, मैं जनरली कुछ पूछना चाह रहा था because I got scared. Fear, you manifest fear very easily. मैंने सबको संपर्क किया, all from different fields, an orthopedic, two GP and a cardiologist. एक डॉक्टर ने मुझे कहा कि आप स्टेयर्स ले रहे हैं 7th फ्लोर तक, एक ही बार लीजिए, because you're 45 now, you have to be careful. दो डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे कहा कि आप स्टेयर्स ले सकते हैं अनगिनत बारी, n number of times, doesn't matter, as long as you're doing cardio. और चौथे डॉक्टर साहब ने मुझे कहा कि आप 2 से ज्यादा ना लें. Doesn't make sense to me. I am not contradicting any of my friends who are doctors. I am not contradicting their profession. But मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ, एक बार लें, 2 बार लें, 3 बार लें, that does not matter. I think what matters is the stress. What matters is the amount of tension that you're taking here. You are not able to emit it out. What matters is आप एक बीमारी पाल लें, ना बोल के, ना रो के, कुछ सोच के, और कुछ रिएक्शन जो आपकी बॉडी झेल ली होगी. It is just adding on. What I'm trying to say is, it is not about that cardio, not about that gymming, not about your exercise. It is all about you and your mindset. आपको प्रॉब्लम है, आप प्लीज डिस्कस विद योर वाइफ. यू फील कंफर्टेबल. आई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिस्कस एवरीथिंग विद माई बेटर हाफ. मैं इस फंडामेंटल्स में बिलीव नहीं करता, इस ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच में बिलीव नहीं करता कि मर्द की प्रॉब्लम है, मर्द ही समझे, मर्द ही झेले. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कहीं लिखा नहीं गया है. इसलिए आई try and share everything with my wife, so that there are two reasons. A, ये जो load है, ये मेरा आधा हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. And secondly, she knows everything inside out about me. So I share everything with my wife, with my better half. Better half है, other half है, तो share करेंगे. इसलिए करेंगे क्योंकि पूरा load हम लेंगे तो बहुत जल्दी चढ़ाई चढ़ जाएंगे. And then what about my kids? What about my better half? What about my other half? Just because एक ट्रेडिशनल सोच थी, एक ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच थी, और हमने सब भूल गए. We just forgot everything. मर्द रो नहीं सकता, मर्द बोल नहीं सकता, मर्द शेयर नहीं कर सकता. This is all bullshit. Please break the taboo and do what you think is right. I'm not saying do what I am doing, but do what you think is right. Because आप चले जाएंगे, आपके पीछे आपका परिवार और आपकी धर्मपत्नी, आपके माँ बाप रह जाएंगे, और ये उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा टॉर्चर होगा. Don't let this happen. I am again not a doctor, and no offense to anybody's profession, but please, for any issues that you face, could be anxiety, could be stress, there are doctors. Please consult a proper doctor who deals in stress, who deals in anxiety issues, who deals in your tension. Consult a proper doctor who specializes in this field. A doctor who can put you on anti-anxiety medications or anti-stress medications. There are medications available over the counter. You get them with a prescription. But you must see a specialized doctor for this. And don't take this lightly. You feel the pain over here, you see a doctor immediately. Be it a cardiologist, or be it your stress-related doctor or your anxiety-related doctor. And believe me, guys, there is no harm at all in taking the medication for a particular time being till you get mentally fit. I somehow feel music helps you a lot. मैं पर्सनली जब बहुत stressed out होता हूँ तो बॉबी मैकफेरन का एक गाना है, Don't Worry Be Happy. I play that song and I listen to it and it calms me down. Do whatever you have to, but don't take that load. Don't take that stress. Don't involve yourself in that particular tension. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई बुराई है एडमिट करने में कि आपको कोई दिक्कत है, कोई परेशानी है अपने परिवार के सामने, अपने मित्रों के सामने, अच्छे मित्रों के सामने जिनके साथ आपको उठना बैठना हो, या आपकी परिवार के जो सदस्य हैं. You must tell them that you're going through the stress or depression or anxiety or whatever. Many Hollywood stars like Demi Lovato, Dwayne Johnson was a shock to me, by the way. They admitted to it. Many Bollywood stars, Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, they admitted to it. And I'm very grateful to these film stars and these celebrities कि इन्होंने एक रास्ता दिखाया हम जैसी आम जनता को कि हम लोग भी इस चीज को एडमिट करें। मुझे पर्सनली लगता है आफ्टर कोविड आई हैड लिटिल एंजाइटी इश्यूज। आई एडमिटेड टू माय बेटर हाफ, माय वाइफ, वैसे सुखम ऐसी बात है और मुझे लगता है मुझे ट्रीटमेंट करना चाहिए। आई डिड सी अ डॉक्टर एंड आई ट्रीट माय सेल्फ एंड आई एम सरप्राइज्ड द अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट पॉप्ड अप ऑन माय पॉडकास्ट Indie Talk Show about people who wanted me to speak about this. I'm amazed. This topic had to be addressed today, and I felt the need that I should address this topic with immediate attention. I requested my team, and I'm really grateful to them on a very short notice of time. My record producer, my content manager, my editor, everybody, on a short span of time, they said, "Sir, go ahead, but please address this topic." So once again, I'm really thankful to all the people who approached me on my podcast, Indie Talk Show, and they wanted me to discuss, they wanted me to say something about it, they wanted me to talk about it. So I'm once again very thankful to all the people who approached me on my podcast with these n number of questions on mental well-being. Thank you for joining me on this video. It was very important और बहुत जरूरी था मेरे लिए इस टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an episode of Indie Talk Show.